Thank you for the time for this interview. Could you tell your name and your position here in Panasonic, please?
Yes, I'm Scott Zirkel. I am the Associate Director of Technical Operations. To make that a little simpler, basically, I'm responsible for all delivery of services.
Okay, nice. So I'm going to start with a few questions and you can give me your point of view, okay? So looking ahead to the next and two or 3 years, what structural changes do you expect to see in the SME market?
In the next 2 to 3 years, I think what we're going to need to see are that manufacturers are able to be agile and respond to their customers' changing needs in components, uh, in their change of demand of production. So they're going to have new equipment with the latest technology in order to be competitive.
Okay, so what will matter most for the manufacturers to stay competitive?
They're going to have to be able to follow the component trends. So all the way from the very tiniest of components all the way to the very large, heavy components that we're seeing in servers and AI servers. And also, they're going to have to reduce the reliance on manual labor.
Oh, okay, so um, talking about the PanaCIM, the software that you have, how are platforms like PanaCIM and Advanced Production Analytics creating measurable competitive advantages for manufacturers today?
So PanaCIM is able to gather all of the data for the Panasonic equipment from printer placement, and it gives the manufacturer real-time information on everything that's going on, not only the materials that are being used, where they're being placed, how quickly it's being done, the efficiency, but also any traceability that may be needed at any level.
Okay.
And the analytics that are provided by the production analytics can tell them where there may be things that are not going as well as possible, and will point them in the direction of how to correct them before they become a problem.
Okay, because now it's very important to analyze all the data.
Absolutely.
So, continue with innovation and transforming factories. Which Panasonic innovations do you believe are genuinely transforming factory operations?
So we have a few. I'll start with a product we call APC5M.
Okay.
That is where all of the sensors inside of the machine that measure how quickly something moves, or how much vacuum there is, we monitor those. And rather than a maintenance department having to do maintenance based on a schedule,
Huh?
you do it when the machine tells you that there is a degradation. So we have seen as much as 33% decrease in required maintenance by using APC5M, monitoring the systems and telling you when you need to do something rather than you doing it because the schedule says you need to do it.
Okay. So
The other one is our ASF feeder. New feeder that requires no splicing. It allows the operator to feed the tape in, press a button, and it's automatically in position. Then they can load the next reel and have it ready. So if you have a high volume environment where reels run out quickly, you don't have to splice, but the operator can keep the machine loaded with zero splicing.
Oh, sounds good. And why are they making a real difference on the shop floor?
So we reduce the amount of maintenance required, which could potentially reduce the manpower that is needed. And the same with the feeder, you reduce the number of operators you need for the line because you're not having operators splice, and they're able to just load the feeders, and it takes virtually 3 seconds to load a feeder.
Perfect.
And no splicing required.
Great.
So we're reducing manpower.
Excellent. And in an environment of constant change and rapid innovation, how is Panasonic adapting its strategy and solutions to stay aligned with evolving customer and market needs.
Yes, so we pay attention to our customers, and as they tell us that they need to reduce manpower or they need a larger component, we put those things in our roadmaps. And in our latest generation, the G series, we feel that we have the capability to place the smallest components that are in the market today, as well as the largest components that are being used. And we're looking inside ourselves on how we can reduce their cost of ownership
Okay.
by reducing maintenance and items like that.
Okay, sounds good. Uh, from your perspective, what is the single most important factor that differentiates Panasonic from competitors in the manufacturing and SMT space?
That's I would say our quality and reliability.
Okay.
Panasonic machines are known to stay running.
I think is everything. So
Okay.
thank you so much for your time
Thank you.
and
Appreciate it.
thank you.
Thank you.